Welcome to the third Palm Biodiesel Conference held in a hybrid format from Yogyakarta, Indonesia on 24th of March, 2022. Thank you for registering on our hybrid program. This video serves as your tutorial video to make use of the online platform. To log in, first enter your email address and password that was submitted to you when you initially registered. In the event that you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password. Enter your email address and send link. Allow some 1 or 2 minutes for a reset password to appear in your email inbox or your spam folder. Once it has appeared, do as instructed and click Reset Password. For those of you who have your password from the beginning, let's just log back in like normal. A pop-up brochure of our third Palm Biodiesel Conference program will appear on your screen. For better viewing, you may wish to do a full screen of the brochure, zoom in and out, or better yet, just download the program for your convenience. On the bottom left-hand side of the screen, you may wish to play the third Palm Biodiesel Conference advertisement video. Welcome to the conference lobby. You may wish to visit the auditorium first or move to the hall exhibition. To join the full conference, click the auditorium icon as you see on the screen. Welcome, you are now entering the full session. If you have any inquiries whatsoever regarding the program, please click the hotline menu on the center part of your screen, and someone from our booth will be able to assist you. You may wish to send your inquiry via WhatsApp. The presentation as appeared on your screen is on a YouTube mode, which many of you are already familiar with. You may wish to view the presentation on a full screen. Don't forget to unmute the sounds. To move out of the auditorium, click the lobby menu on the upper left-hand side, and you will be brought back to the lobby. Let's visit the virtual expo by clicking the hall exhibition icon or move to hall. Bear in mind that it will take some time for you to get into the virtual expo ground. And all this is just to ensure an enhanced experience. Make sure you are on a full running and smooth internet connection. Click Continue. Welcome, you are now in the virtual expo ground. Don't forget to activate your sounds to give it that full experience. Let's get to know your avatar, shall we? This is your avatar. You can change your avatar by clicking the Select Avatar menu on the right-hand side of the screen on the bottom. And you can customize your avatar style as you desire by clicking the left and right arrow. Once you've selected your avatar, click Update on the bottom. You can start exploring the virtual expo, or you can select the exhibitors you want to visit by clicking the Select Exhibitor drop-down menu on the top right hand of your screen. Scroll down to find your selected booth that you may wish to visit. To view the whole virtual booth, move your cursor from left to right. To hop from one booth to another, click the circular buttons on the floor. To enable you to move freely from one booth to the other, choose or select the free click menu on the top right to move to another booth and click Continue. Let's go visit some other booths, shall we? I hope you're enjoying your experience so far. When visiting a virtual booth, make sure you say hello to the booth avatar assistant. You can start interacting or making inquiries to the avatar assistant via WhatsApp or email, or schedule a meeting to get to know the booth you are visiting. Inside the booth, you can move around to see what's on display by clicking the necessary or relevant icons. You can access the company profile, products, and services offered by clicking the Exhibitor Info button. Let's return to the conference, shall we? Click the auditorium button, and you are now back in the auditorium to have a listen to all the sessions brought to you by our knowledgeable expert speakers. And that's the end of our tutorial video. Thank you very much, and may you enjoy the 3rd Palm Biodiesel Conference, and see you next time.